Okay. So guys, a very welcome to all of you. Guys, today is day 1 of geography revision for the UPSC Prelims 2025. Guys, today target was NCERT Physical Geography Chapter 1 and 2 and Indian Physical Geography Chapter 1. This was the target, guys. And also the target was from our Optima notes related topic from the target which are given in the static. So I hope you have gone through all those important topics which I have given you in my private channel yesterday night only. So guys, this year, if you see the PYQs coming from this section, okay. So last year there was one question on volcanic eruption. Last year there was one question on volcanic eruption. Before that year there was a question on earthquake waves or seismic waves. Okay, so you see that every year one question we are seeing from this section. So this year also I am predicting one question from this section, guys. The question will be on tsunami. The question will be on tsunami. Why, guys? Because 2025, okay, this year, okay, this is 20 years of tsunami. This is 20 years of 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. Okay, so guys, if you are following the current affairs in the last 1 year, if you are following the current affairs in the last 1 year, you must have come across that because of this 20th anniversary of Indian Ocean tsunami, there is lot of initiatives taken not just in India but throughout the world in order to make us tsunami resilient, in order to make us tsunami ready. Okay, so can anybody tell me Tsunami Ready is an initiative of which organization? Tsunami Ready is okay, you have to answer the question, guys, because we have already read this. Okay, so you have already read this in the morning. So I want you to answer the questions. Okay, so these sessions are basically for revision. Okay, so that you can test that are you reading in the right format only. This is not just a teaching session. This is basically you have to answer the questions. So in your comment box, I can see your answers and I'll be telling you whoever is answering the correctly. Okay. So Tsunami Ready is the initiative of, okay. So no one is answering. I don't know why. Anyone, guys? UNESCO. Very good. Okay. UNESCO. Very good. Okay. IOC. Okay. Very good. IOC, UNESCO. Very good. Okay. So which villages in India, which state in India they have become tsunami ready? Can anybody tell me? Which state, which villages in India they have become tsunami ready? Okay. 26 villages, okay, they have been declared tsunami ready. Okay. Odisha. Oh, Odisha coastal districts. Odisha coastal districts. Very good. Okay. So guys, you have to understand first of all what are the factors which have led to tsunami, which are the factors which are basically responsible for tsunami, guys. If you see here, guys, tsunami, if you see here, tsunamis are basically what are tsunamis? Okay, tsunamis are basically what they are, like, okay, waves. Tsunamis are what they are? Waves. They are also called harbor waves. They are called giant waves. Okay, they are mainly caused by earthquakes. They are mainly caused by earthquakes, but they can also be caused by volcanic eruption under the ocean. They can also be caused by landslides under the ocean. Landslides under the ocean, earthquakes, or volcanic eruption under the ocean. So what happens? Suppose this is ocean, guys, and suddenly what happens? Suppose there is an earthquake, or there is a volcano, or there is a landslide. What happens is that there is a vertical displacement of water, and because of this vertical displacement of water, waves are generated, and these waves they travel towards the shore. These waves they travel towards the shore. So guys, when these waves are traveling towards the shore, what happens is that as the wave approaches the shore, what happens? The height of the waves increases. The height of the waves increases because the speed reduces. So the kinetic energy changes into the potential energy. The height of the waves increases, and that leads to what? That leads to various kinds of disasters, because this huge water, okay, they engulf the coastal villages, and many people they die also. Okay, so this is the reason for tsunami. Everyone is clear? What are the reasons for tsunami? Tsunami can be because of earthquake, undersea earthquake. It can be because under ocean volcanic eruption. It can be also because of landslides or meteorite, okay, impact also, or asteroid impact also can cause tsunami. Tsunamis, okay, they are very difficult to okay, detect. Why? Because when they are far from the shore, the wave's length is very small. Okay, the speed is very high, but the length, okay, the height is very small. As it approaches towards the uh, coast, the height increases. Okay, so can you tell me which coast of India is like prone to tsunami? Can anybody tell me which coast of India is prone to tsunami? Okay, can anybody tell me? Okay, so both, okay, both eastern and western both, okay, we're both, okay, this also and this also, okay, because here also we have the Marakan, okay, and here also because of, okay, closer to the closer to the ring of fire, okay. So both eastern and western, okay, many people think that only eastern coast, but even western coast also is prone to tsunami. Tsunami can happen in the western coast also. It can happen in the western coast also, okay. So this, remember guys, there is a tsunami warning center in India which is called Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center. It is basically situated in where? It is situated in Hyderabad. Okay, it is under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It is the Ministry of Earth Sciences. Very, very important. India is the 5th country to develop tsunami warning capabilities after US, Japan, Chile, Australia. Okay, very, very important. This inquest is very, very important, guys. You may get a question on where it is headquartered. It is headquartered in Hyderabad. So tsunami is one of the topics which you may get. Also, guys, this year there was a mega earthquake. This was a mega earthquake. You can see here Taiwan earthquake, mega earthquake in that region. So ring of Pacific, my favorite topic of UPSC, ring of Pacific. Okay, this is very, very important, guys. Okay, Pacific ring or ring of fire. It is also called ring of fire, Pacific ring. So basically, guys, this is a subduction zone. This is a subduction zone. Okay, subduction zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. You may get a question on this. You may get a question on ring of fire. Why ring of fire, okay, is prone to earthquakes and tsunami and also volcanic eruptions. You can see ring of fire is essentially hundreds of volcano and earthquakes. Okay, so they may ask you, guys, they may ask you that why ring of fire is prone to volcano and earthquakes, because guys, lot of tectonic plates, they are meeting along the ring of fire. Which are these tectonic plates? So we have the Eurasian tectonic plates, North American tectonic plate, Juan de Fuca, Cocos, Caribbean, Nazca, okay, Australian, Philippines, and other smaller plates. So too many plates, they are meeting at this ring of fire. That is why we have lot of earthquakes taking place, lot of volcanic eruptions taking place along this. This is very, very important. You may get a question on that. They may also ask you how, they may give you the country, name of country, and they will ask you how many of them are situated on ring of fire. How many of the above countries are situated on ring of fire? So can you name the countries which are situated on ring of fire? How many of you can name? Let me see in the comment box. How many of you can name the countries which are located on ring of fire? I'm only giving you the most important topics, guys. Okay, so first topic is tsunami. Second topic, guys, I'm giving you is what? Ring of fire. Okay, ring of fire or Pacific ring of fire. Okay, so they may ask you the name of the countries. They may ask you the name of the countries. So we have Japan. Okay, we have, okay, all these countries, Japan, Philippines, these are all located on the ring of fire. I think there are more than 11 or 12 countries, okay, or 14 countries, okay, Chile, okay, 14 countries, Indonesia, yes. How many? You should know the number, okay, you should know the number countries which are located on ring of fire, okay, you should know the exact number. I think 11 or 12. Please do look into the Google and prepare this list. This is very, very important. Ring of fire. They may also ask you why we have Japan, which is the most earthquake prone country in the world. Why Japan? Why Taiwan? They have so many earthquakes. Why? Can anybody answer, guys? Why they have so many earthquakes? Statement, reason, question. Statement, reason, question. Reason, assertion, question. Okay, assertion, reason, question they may give you. Okay, why Japan is prone to earthquakes? Why Japan is prone to earthquake? Because it is located on ring of fire. It is located on ring of fire. It is located on ring of fire. So these are some questions which can be framed on this theme, guys. Okay, these are the questions which can be framed on this theme. I'm expecting earthquake and tsunami. Definitely there is a high chance. And guys, map based questions can also come. Please prepare the islands of Japan. Okay, some of the islands which have been mentioned here. Okay, just map. Okay, map, for map perspective, you should prepare the name of the islands also. Okay, for example, you can see here Ryukyu Island is given. So from geography term, okay, you should know the names of these islands also. Okay, next topic which is important for this year, okay, is, let me just show you guys 1 second. Okay, let me just show you 1 second, which is the very important topic. Yes, landslides. Landslides are very important this year because there was a landslide, guys, this year in Kerala. Okay, so my question to you, which are the landslide prone zones in India? Which are the landslides prone zone in India? So guys, landslides are very common in the northeastern Himalayas. What are the factors responsible for landslides in the northeastern Himalayas? Can anybody tell me? What is the factor responsible for northeastern Himalayas? Why northeastern Himalayas? Rainfall, excessive rainfall. Very good. Excessive rainfall. Okay. And also guys, young fold mountain. Young fold mountain. Why Himalayas have landfall, guys? Landslides. Why Himalayas have landslides? Why Himalayas have landslides? Why? What is the reason? Young fold mountain. Why young fold mountains are more prone to landslides? Can anybody answer? Why young fold mountains are more prone to landslide? Can anybody answer? Because their soil is what? Soil is what? Unconsolidated. 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 Okay, loose soil. Loose soil. Loose soil. Loose soil. Loose soil. Loose soil. Okay, so this is very, very important, guys. So you can see here, this year we have made the landslide map of India. So you may get question, why Western Ghats are prone to landslides? Why Western Ghats are prone to landslide? Okay, can anybody answer why Western Ghats are prone to landslides? Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Western Ghats. Answer is what? Answer is what? Okay, answer is what? Heavy rainfall, excessive rainfall, and developmental activities leading to deforestation. Developmental activities leading to reforestation. Excessive land rainfall. Is Western Ghats young fold? Is Western Ghats young fold? No, 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 no. Okay, you should know this. You should know this. Okay, you should know the difference. Okay. Then, guys, they may also ask you seismic zones in India. Earthquake. Even recently, Delhi had a very big earthquake, guys. Seismic zones in India. Seismic zones in India. How many seismic zones are there? Delhi falls in which seismic zone? They may ask you, Delhi falls in which seismic zone? Okay. So, okay, you should know Delhi falls in which seismic zone. So, which are the major cities in India? They fall in which seismic zone? They can ask you. Okay, seismic zonations they can ask you. Okay, guys. So, this landslip project of Geological Survey of India, Ministry of Mines. Okay, this you should know. Then earthquake, you should know why Delhi is prone to earthquake, because Delhi, why Himalayas are more prone to earthquake? Why Himalayas are more prone to earthquake? Why Himalayas are more prone to earthquake? Quickly. The answer is what? Okay. Plate tectonics. The answer is what? Plate tectonics. The answer is what? Plate tectonics. Okay. Okay. So two plates, they are meeting. Two plates, they are meeting. Okay, guys. I hope you know this. Okay. I hope you know this. Okay. So because of the two plate meeting, what happens? There is a stress. And when the stress is released, that energy is called the earthquake waves. That energy is called the earthquake waves. That energy is called the earthquake waves. Okay, I hope you know how earthquake formation takes place. Okay, so basically the stress which is there because of two plates, okay, meeting each other or crossing each other. Okay, so whenever there is release of energy, there is an earthquake. Okay, so Himalayas, why? Because there are two plates meeting. Which are the two plates which are meeting, guys, along the Himalayas? Which are the two tectonic plates which are meeting, guys? Can anybody tell me? Okay, Eurasian plate, Indian plate. Okay, I hope you know all this. Okay, I hope you know all this. So these are very, very important topics. Another important topic this year, is from the solar system. From the solar system, guys, you know, in the recent years, the focus of UPSC is on sun and stars. In the last 2 years, in 2022, in 2023, in 2024, every year UPSC is asking question on sun. Do you know, guys? UPSC is asking question on sun. Last year they asked question on nebula. So guys, in your geography target today, we have the first topic. First topic is what? Universe. First topic is what? Universe. Okay, in universe, guys, you need to prepare the solar system. In solar system, guys, sun is very important. Stars are very important. If you see last 2-3 years, question is on sun and star. Lot of questions are coming on sun and star. So guys, this year, you know, we had one very typical astronomical event, which is called what? Quickly, guys, aurora. Okay, you know, guys, which place in India has seen that? Okay, which place in India? Okay, can anybody tell me? Ladakh. So what is the reason behind that, guys? What is the reason behind that? What is the main reason behind that? What causes them? Aurora lighting in Ladakh. Okay, basically the charged particle of the solar winds, when they give contact with the magnetosphere of the earth, okay, they lead to light display. Very beautiful light display. Okay, but this is not very good. Why? Because this solar storms or solar winds, they can lead to negative impacts. What are the negative impacts, guys? They can create what? They can create telecommunication failure. They can create power failure, power grid failure. They can create all these kinds of problems. Okay, guys, so solar storms is very, very important. Why do solar storms take place? Because of coronal mass ejections. What are coronal mass ejection? Okay, so guys, what happened? You know that sun is basically going through cycles. Okay, whenever there is heavy kind of activity in the sun, there is ejection of coronal mass ejection. Okay, guys, so these are charged particles, and when they interfere with the earth's magnetic field, they create what? Lights. So guys, we have the northern aurora borealis, the south pole we have aurora australis. Okay, so these two auroras are very, very important. They may ask you coronal mass ejection. They may ask you solar storms. What are the impacts of solar storms? This is a very important question, guys. UPSC has already asked question on this activity. This is very, very important. Okay, guys. Apart from that, guys, you know already UPSC has asked question on S waves, P waves, all that. So I don't think they are going to repeat. One thing what they can ask you, guys, this year we are drilling in India. Okay, can anybody tell me where are we drilling? We are drilling in India, guys. Okay, drilling the crust. Okay, Koyna. Okay, Koyna Dam. Okay, Koyna is in which state, guys? Quickly, Maharashtra. Why we are drilling? Because, guys, this is seismic activities, guys. Koyna. Okay, so guys, they may ask you what is crust, what is mantle, what is core. What is crust? What is mantle? What is core? What is the composition of crust? They can ask you. What is the composition of crust? They can ask you what is the composition of mantle? They can ask you what is the composition of the core? Is core solid or liquid? So guys, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is liquid. The inner core is solid. The core is composed of Nife. Okay, nickel and iron. Mantle. What is mantle, guys? Mantle is both. Okay, again, asthenosphere. Okay, very, very important, guys. asthenosphere. Okay, asthenosphere is one of the most important, okay, in the interior of Earth, guys. And then we have the crust. At the top, we have the crust. Remember one thing, guys, the thickness of the crust. The thickness of the crust is more in ocean or land. Guys, can anybody answer? The thickness of the crust is more over ocean or land? Okay, the thickness of the curve is higher in land, continent, than ocean. Okay, you know this, okay, very, very important. Okay, continental crust are thicker. Continental crust are thicker. The composition of crust is what? Basalt, 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 basalt. Very, very important. Basalt. Okay, so this drilling activity basically we want to study the interior of Earth. Why we study interior of Earth? What will happen when we study interior of Earth? Guys, how to get information regarding the Earth? So one way is what? Drilling. Okay. Other ways are what? Okay. Study of seismic waves. So already they have asked seismic waves. So this may they will ask you this drilling thing. They may ask you. Okay, guys. So they may ask you all this. Okay. This is very, very important. This is very, very important because last year they have already asked volcano. So this year they may ask you about these activities. Okay. So these are the 4 or 5 topics which you should prepare. Coming to Indian geography, guys, this year. Okay. I am expecting questions from the chapter 1. What to prepare from chapter 1? Many people are asking, sir, what to prepare in chapter 1? Chapter 1 map based question they may ask you. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then Lakshadweep Islands. Okay. Or they may ask you, they may give you, okay, one latitude and they will say which are the states lying on that. Or they may ask you bordering states. Which are the bordering states of Myanmar? Which are the bordering states of Bangladesh? Which are the bordering states of Bangladesh? Which are the states which are bordering both Myanmar and Bangladesh? Which is the state which is bordering both Myanmar and Bangladesh? These type of map-based question can come from chapter 1 of Indian geography. This kind of map-based question can come from the chapter 1 of geography. Guys, please do prepare. Okay, Indian Standard Time. Which are the cities which are located on this? Okay, so they may ask you this also. Guys. So these kinds of questions. Okay, bordering states. India, Bangladesh bordering states. We have the West Bengal. We have, okay, all these, okay, bordering states. Very, very important. We have the Tripura. Okay, so these kinds of questions can also come. Okay, bordering states of Myanmar, 4 states. Bordering states of Bangladesh, 5 states. One state which is common. What is that common state? Okay, what is that common state? Anyone? Mizoram is the common state. So borders are very important. India's border with the countries. Similarly, guys, maritime border is also very important. India Sri Lanka is in news. Guys, Kachatibu Island. Guys, I hope you know this. Park Strait, Park Bay, Kachatibu Island. Okay, Vajay Bank. Very important, guys. So chapter 1, guys, if you remember, if you see chapter 1, guys, chapter 1 is location of India. In location of India, guys, they will ask you these kinds of map-based questions. If you go to see the PYQ, guys, they will say Tropic of Cancer passes through which states in India? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, MP, Rajasthan, Gujarat. These can be questions. Which are the states passing through the prime meridian? 82.5 degrees. Okay, we have UP, we have MP, we have Chhattisgarh, we have Odisha, we have Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these kinds of questions they can ask you. Which are the capital cities which are lying on the Tropic of Cancer? Which are the capital city lying on the Tropic of Cancer? Which are the cities lying on the Tropic of Cancer? Which are the states lying on the same latitude? Which are the states which are lying on the same longitude? These kinds of questions, guys, you may get it. This type of questions you can get it. Please read the map of India. Please read the political map of India. Guys, is it helping, guys? These are the important themes for today, guys. Is it helping, guys? Is it helping, guys? Okay. So This is the target, guys. This is the target for today. These were the important times. Again, I'm recapping. Okay, guys. So first topic which is important, guys. First topic which is important is the tsunami. Tsunami. Okay. Second is, guys, what? Earthquake. Earthquake. Okay. Pacific ring. Pacific ring. Pacific ring. Pacific ring. Pacific ring. Next, guys. Next, aurora. 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 Next topic, guys. India mapping. India mapping. India mapping. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Island is what kind of island? Coral Island. Coral Island. Coral Island. You can get questions on that. You can get questions on that, guys. They may give you map-based questions. Very, very important. Okay, guys. So anyone has any doubts, they can raise their hand. Otherwise, I'll end the session, guys, quickly. Anybody, guys, is it helping, guys? Can we conduct these sessions regularly on the Zoom? Because YouTube is not working, guys, today. So that is why, guys, we are doing in the Zoom session, guys. Anybody, any doubts? See, here I'm only giving the important topics, guys. Important. Okay, landslides also. Yes, landslides. Very good. Kerala landslides. Why landslides in the Western Ghats? Okay, very important. Seismic zonation. Very, very important, guys. Anybody has anything to say? Otherwise, we'll end the session, guys, quickly. Bye-bye. Take care.